So yeah, really cool as you can see. Hey guys! In this video, I'm going to show you how to jailbreak your iOS device on 17.1.1 without a computer using the Unc0ver jailbreak. So as you can see, I'm on iOS 17.1.1 right now, so follow my guide, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. So what you want to do is go to the site Unc0ver.vip. O is a 0, so don't forget that. This is the revolutionary jailbreak for iOS 17.1.1. You can see the website here. So once you're here, you want to press jailbreak and this will download a profile. So just press allow, close. Now we're going to settings, should see a profile download a message. Press on that, press install. Then install and then done. And now go to the home screen and you should see the Unc0ver app. So we're going to open this app to jailbreak our device. So let me just open it right here, then just press jailbreak and as you can see it says I'm running iOS 17.1.1. So what you want to do is just go ahead and press jailbreak. And now as you can see guys, it is just jailbreaking my device. So you need to wait for this to be installed. And now it is finished. So what we're going to do is press respring. And what this will do is, basically we start the device with Cydia. Don't be worried if you find yourself on this screen. Your phone was not reset. This is just a workaround that Unc0ver team has found to install jailbreak. Also on this screen, you can see that I'm currently on iOS 17.1.1. And later you will also see that we managed to jailbreak this version of iOS. Let me finish this real quick so I can show you the jailbreak. As you can see now, we're in the phone. And we did get the app right here, so be sure to go in and try this out for yourself. Get the word out cause this is super cool. And now we can install all of our favorite jailbreak tweaks and all the cool stuff. And we can just go to the search and search for something. So let's look for like something cool, the floating dock. So let me type this in. I'm going to get it. So now we just wait for this to finish and then press confirm. And now we're just going to wait and it is downloading and there we go. So we'll restart the phone again. And now once this process is finished, we should have it and let's see. And there's the floating dock. So try it out guys. This is so cool and I just can't even believe it works. And it's so great. So I hope you enjoy it. And if this worked for you, be sure to go ahead and share it. Everyone needs to know. So try it out and it's really good because they have so many customization options available inside of here. So yeah, really cool as you can see. So I'll see you later. Peace out.